Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. I woke up so late today. I'm so tired. I honestly don't know what this vlog is gonna look like, but yeah, today is Wednesday and I think I'm gonna be on vlog day 3 now. So yeah, so today I don't really have like actual plans. I'm just gonna shower, and then when I'm done showering I'm gonna do my laundry, and then when I'm done with my laundry I wanted to go get my nails fixed because look at this. I don't know if you guys can see, but like it's like bubbling, like the acrylic is, I don't know what it's doing. So I need to go back and I need them to redo the whole thing. Can you imagine? I'm actually pissed. But what can we do? My room is a mess because I haven't been around for like weeks now. I don't know. I've been like in and out of my room the whole entire time, so like a lot of it is a mess. So I'm just gonna clean my room, do my laundry, and yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys with because we're doing Vlogmas. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and please do not forget to share my video. I really am looking forward to new subbies over this vlogmas period, so please do mostly go and share. I love you guys. Bye. I'll see you once I'm done showering.
It's all so blue. Yeah, what if we could grow just like the flowers through the concrete? Just you and me. The key of glory to
Hi guys, I'm currently at the laundry doing my laundry. This usually takes a while, so I did bring my laptop so that I can watch some vlogmas while I do my laundry. Hopefully I don't take too long. I'm just gonna time lapse the whole thing because the machines do make a noise, as you can hear, so there's that. Let me show you guys what I'm wearing because I'm a YouTuber. I'm wearing my sweatpants that I bought at Factory. I'm sure you guys would have seen it at the Shopping With Me vlog. And I've got this vest on and my favorite pair of slides. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing, and have a bun or whatever. I'm bored. I usually am always bored at the laundry. So yeah, let me switch my laptop on and find something to watch because I honestly can't sit here and do nothing the whole time. I would die. I'm so exhausted. I'm probably not gonna clean my room today. I'm honestly probably just gonna go to bed and take a nap. Because that's what I do best. I'm always taking naps, so and I'm tired, so I'm gonna get my nails done tomorrow. It's honestly late now, like, and this vlog is probably gonna be 2 minutes. Honestly speaking, it's probably gonna do this. I did nothing. All I did was do my laundry the whole day. So there's nothing to show you guys. But that's the thing though, my life is not always that interesting. In fact, it's almost never that interesting, to be quite honest. But yeah, I'm not gonna vlog every day though for Vlogmas. I am gonna do sit down videos. I just need to gain strength to film and put makeup on. But I will be doing sit down videos and there will be more fun vlogs for you guys to see. I don't know what that is. My laundry's done. I'm just drying it now. I'm gonna go wait in my room because the dryer usually takes way longer than the washing machine is doing. I'll be back when I fetch them. So yeah. Good morning, you guys. Today's the next day from when I was doing my laundry. That's probably the last thing you guys saw. I woke up late again. No surprise there. I'm about to leave now because I need to get my nails fixed because tomorrow is my final year gala and I cannot have nails that look like this. I don't know, I'm still thinking about bringing you guys to the final gala with me. I probably will because I need the content, so considering the fact that, so yeah, I don't know why I just cut myself off like that. I'm honestly like a bit tired. I think like the past couple of weeks have been so hectic for me and I'm just exhausted as a human being. So anyway, yeah, I'm wearing this top and grey sweatpants and I'm just quickly gonna go. They don't allow vlogging at my salon, so I'm gonna see if I can get some snaps on my phone for you guys. But I can't bring the camera with because of that, so yeah, I will see you guys at the salon or on my way to the salon or whatever. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and most importantly, don't forget to share the video with your friends and family. Let's go.
Talk to me nice. Talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes. Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy.
Hi guys, so I just realized as I was editing my video that the last time you saw me was when I was on my way to the salon. I'm back. I didn't do much. I just fixed my nails, got some breakfast and came back. And now I'm editing the vlog. Well, it wasn't breakfast, it was lunch because I left literally in the afternoon. But anyway, I hadn't eaten. So now I'm back. My nails look like this, nice and smooth and up. It's literally still the same pair. They just fixed it for me, which was great because I was worried about my nail bed. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow. It won't be a vlog, but I'm excited nonetheless. Love you guys.
Sweet concussion.